guys, so to Ken's with her burps. Today we are having another vlog, but a different type of vlog. I'm gonna be teaching an artist how to paint with acrylics. I'm really hoping this goes well. I believe in you. So right now we are transferring our images. Yay! We just finished our sketches. This is what I've got so far. Callum?
I've got nothing yet. I'm gonna be
Started
honest.
on the eye. Very nice.
Thank you.
I asked Izzy if I had paint on my face.
Jake is helping me paint. Callum has got a lot done so far. Very nice.
I'm trying. It's coming. It's coming a little bit. I don't know.
It's looking good. Hello everybody. I forgot to finish my vlog yesterday, so this is a different day. We didn't finish our paintings, but we will today.
We're persevering.
Yes,
We're
we
doing
are.
it.
We are going to finish. This is what he got done. This is what Callum has done so far. And then this is what I've done so far. I have a lot of detail to do. Callum has a lot of
Everything to do. I'm gonna be
of
honest.
a lot
Yeah.
of things to do. But I
I
think
will say it is my first time using acrylic, and I only use oil for most of the time.
he
so
had a
this is-
mental breakdown.
I did have a mental breakdown, but you know, it's going better. I came in here with a new mindset today where I'm gonna try my hardest, see how this goes, but yeah.
It is lunchtime. I'm going to have some fruit because I like strawberries. So, yay! I think I finished my painting. Right here. It's a little rough, but it's good so far. Cause I'm gonna start a new painting.
Oh, I dropped my palette.
Which is your favorite painting I've done in this house?
Favorite painting?
Yes.
I think it's the portrait, like the self-portrait you did. I really like that one.
In the den?
Yeah, downstairs, yeah.
What?